Welcome to CalArtsConnect.com. Select any of the buttons on the landing page or the Sign In tab to create your account. You can use your Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn accounts to start the process, or just register with email. We recommend using your preferred email to sign in, since you'll be approved faster if your email matches what we have in our records. In step 1 of registration, make sure your first and last name and email address are filled out correctly. Then you should select all of your current affiliations to CalArts. If your status should change in the future, like if you become staff, faculty, or a parent of a student, a platform admin will be able to update your information for you. If you select student or alumnus as an affiliation, you will be asked to fill out your degree, field of study, any specializations or concentrations you've pursued alongside your degree, and your graduation year. If you didn't complete your degree at CalArts, just note the last year you were in attendance. If you're a Chouinard alum, please note Chouinard as your field of study and clarify your art form with one of the Chouinard options under specializations and concentrations. Users of any affiliation may also optionally choose their pronouns from the multi-select list provided, as well as any skills they'd like to list on their profile. Though you can always change and add to these later, we recommend doing this now so that other users will be able to connect with you. Remember to read the site's Terms of Use, Privacy Policy, and Code of Conduct by right-clicking and selecting Open in a new tab. Don't forget to upload a profile picture. If you register with an email address, you'll need to check your inbox for a confirmation email after Step 1. Once you click the verification link, you'll be directed back to registration for Step 2. In Step 2, you can enter your professional information, including your company, industry, and job title. Some companies will already be in our system database, but if yours isn't, enter it manually and it will be added. The open questions in registration are optional and will differ based on affiliation. Your answers will be displayed on your profile to help others get to know you, but you can always fill them out later. In Step 3, How are you willing to help? Mark the boxes next to the items you would be willing and interested in offering to other CalArts Connect users, like creating content for the resource library or reviewing work for professional feedback. In Step 4, What help do you need? Mark the boxes next to areas you would like to receive help with from other CalArts Connect users, like meeting one-on-one or collaboration. Once you've completed all the steps, select Finish. If the information you enter doesn't match with our system, like if you've changed emails from what we have on file, you'll receive a message letting you know that your application will be reviewed within 3 days. Once our staff has verified your information, you'll receive an email to your registered email address letting you know that you've been approved. If your information matches our system, you'll be able to access the platform instantly. See you soon in CalArts Connect!